football player transformed into a self-made entrepreneur and has a current net worth of $10 million.
With 35,000 plus connections on LinkedIn, he was able to build his own brand.
A small mishappening made him late in his sister's couch for straight 6 months. And when he get back and he tried to do what he wanted to do, he realized that he did not have that strength as he used to had earlier.
In 2008, Lewis Howes was a person with no skill, no degree and no money. उस समय अमेरिका में जब लोगों के पास तीनों चीज होती थी तो भी उन्हें जॉब नहीं मिलती थी. So he decided that he'll do something he loved rather than an old corporate job.
Here comes the power of LinkedIn. His mentor suggested him to use LinkedIn और धीरे-धीरे उन्हें समझ में आने लगा कि LinkedIn की हेल्प से वो बहुत सारे सक्सेसफुल पीपल से डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. And you know what? He did not ask them to lead him. Rather, he asked them how did they achieve it.
He spent complete next year, straight 8 hours a day, connecting with local business leaders, inviting them to lunch and conducting informational interviews, asking them how they have achieved success.
One person connected him to another, who then suggested him to meet another one. His circle grew wider. And you know what? Within a single year, he was able to make more than 35,000 LinkedIn connections. TweetUp in-person gathering of Twitter users around a common cause was a popular connecting venue.
So he thought, why only Twitter? Why not LinkedIn? So he organized first common cause meetup for his connections with 350 attendees and few sponsors and generated a revenue of $1,000. In his next meetup, he started charging $5 per person at gate. After a couple of gatherings, he started building relation with hotel and bar managers.
इस पॉइंट पे उन्होंने ये सोचा कि अपनी पार्टीज को कैसे रेस्टोरेंट्स और बार्स के लिए प्रॉफिटेबल बनाया जाए. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि क्यों ना लीस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल नाइट्स को मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल नाइट्स में कन्वर्ट कर दे. एंड सो ही स्टार्टेड थ्रोइंग पार्टीज एट ट्यूसडे एंड वेडनेसडे नाइट्स rather than weekends. And this way he converted their least profitable nights into the biggest one. And in return, he just charged 20% commission in food and bar sales.
There is something we can learn from this. Develop a quality of providing value to others. When we add value and we care, later we can figure out how to generate money from it.
Although उनके पास कोई रियल जॉब नहीं थी और ना ही कोई रियल डिग्री, बट स्टिल वो रोज बड़े बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से मिलते थे और बहुत सारे लोगों से. एंड इवन पीपल आस्क हिम टू कम एट देयर कॉन्फ्रेंसेस एंड स्पीक अबाउट लिंक्डइन. And you know what? People also started asking about how can they use LinkedIn to scale their business. And he became mentor to them and started teaching them how to optimize their LinkedIn profile
and how can they reach potential clients and investors and whosoever needed.
He did not follow herd mentality and be a social media guy. Rather, he made his own niche and became a LinkedIn guy. He was the connector between all the successful people. At the age of 33, he built and sold several online businesses.
His podcast, The School of Greatness, was named one of the top podcasts in the world with over 30 million downloads.
Details magazine called him one of the top 5 internet gurus who can make you rich.
Former President Obama named him as one of the top entrepreneurs in the country.
Pretty impressive for a guy who was on his sister's couch for a year and a half.